Hey my friend, are you looking for quick and easy meals that you can make on a budget with just a few ingredients? Well, you came to the right place. I'm Doug Hanna and I specialize in making quick and easy meals. Hello everyone. Today we are going to make tuna casserole. And this recipe was sent in to me by Steve by filling out the form that is down there in the description. So if you have a recipe that you'd like to share with the rest of us, fill that form out and send that recipe to me. Okay, so the recipe for the Steve's tuna casserole is veggies, tuna, mushroom, cream of mushroom, or you can use cream of chicken. Chips, we're going to sprinkle this on top, so this is going to go last. Now I picked these chips because they're a little bit thicker and I just want to keep them from getting soggy from the steam of the noodles. So any chips you like, you can sprinkle on, or you can just not do it, but it's your choice. But we're going with the kettle cooked chips. Cheese, any kind of cheese you like. I thought I'd do this shredded cheese, but you pick whatever your favorite cheese is. And noodles. There's a lot of variety that you could do. You could do this over toast and over rice. We're going to do noodles, and I'll send you some of the other suggestions in the description. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get the veggies cooking. One last thing I didn't mention is milk. We need a cup of milk, so we'll be getting that out here soon. We drain the tuna, and we'll put the tuna in with the vegetables. Next, we will pour in the cream of mushroom with the vegetables and the tuna. Okay, so now we've mixed in the mushrooms, the vegetables, and the tuna. Next we'll add the milk, and then we'll add the noodles, and then we'll let it cook until the noodles get soft. Okay, now we've added the milk and the noodles and it's cooking out. We're going to add cheese. You can add as much cheese as you like, or as little as you like, or no cheese at all. Your choice, of course. I like a lot of cheese, so we're going to spread a lot of cheese on there and take another look at it, and then we're going to let it cool down, put the chips on, and of course, throw down. We'll let that cheese melt, give it another couple minutes, and then we'll add the chips. We'll take it off the fire and then add the chips. Okay, here we go. I hope I did Steve some justice with the tuna fish casserole, and you can have toast or crackers that go alongside it. Some applesauce. You know I love applesauce. And of course kielbasa. You gotta love kielbasa. Check out my other video if you want to know about kielbasa. And of course, you can sprinkle on the chips. I got the kettle chips because they're a little thicker. That gives me a little extra crunch. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Fill out the form, send me a recipe, and until next time, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something from today's video. And if you have recipes that you'd like to share, click on the link and send me your recipe, and we'll give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And thanks, Steve, for sending that in and letting me give it a try. Great meal.